This is Ryan at the Lighthouse Children's Home again. I'm inside a 1976 Catalina sailboat. Has 3 sails, and it's in good shape. I don't know much about sailboats, so I'm going to try to walk you through just what I see and not try to identify too much, because I'm not going to be real good at that. But just trying to show you the inside condition of the boat, and really not anything broken or missing. Everything's pretty good shape. The man that owned it said that he was just getting up in age and wasn't going to be able to get that sail, that pole that you put up anymore, and it's a lot of trouble to do that, even with a young man, I'm sure, they say. But let me show you that it does have all 3 sails. Here looks like the main sail, very large one. It's rolled up a little bit there, but it goes all the way around there and back to around there, and this area up here that you can sleep in as well, cushioned all the way across. This is the second sail. Inside there, and then the third sail, that one looks like a pretty big one if it's just one sail there. And underneath here, a little storage area. This board actually pops right up, and you could take that out, have some open space right there. Just got some supplies under there, it looks like. A few hardware supplies there, and this looks like a boat cover, and over here's the cushions, and those of course pop up, and there's some storage underneath both of these. This folds up, that piece right there pops, and this swings up, and that goes down a little bit. I'm sure that's so people can sleep in here as well. Let me jump over here, and I've got the power outlet there and a power outlet down there, and those are the only 2 that I've seen. Have a little fan, if you can see that, up in there, and a area there that can pop open for a little breathing room and air there as well. All the storage under here. You'll see some slightly maybe stained boards, but none of these boards, I've looked at each and every one of them, none of them are rotting or breaking apart or anything like that. They're all in pretty good shape. And then there's that second pole that goes on top as well. These are all of your ropes that you're going to need. They are in good shape. There's not even mold on them or anything like that. They've been kept pretty dry, it seems. Well, apart from being out on the ocean, of course, but they've not just let them set in mold or anything, it looks like. Got the an older rudder, and there's this opening can be filled with slats of wood that go all the way to the top, and then this here slides closed. These are the slats of wood. If my camera's not gonna be able to adjust, I don't think. There it goes. These are the slats of wood, and they're piled right next to it. The other option is the see-through glass that's tinted, and that's here. And I started out on the inside because it's hard to climb up here with one hand. So here's the tinted glass. It's got a seat cushion there, and this is one piece. Forgive me, I wasn't correct. This is one piece of wood that's broken. It's intact there and all the way around here, but broken off there is missing. These cushions go up as well, and this is a storage area that goes all the way back there. This is a compartment on this side that has more of the dry things, some life jackets and more rope and some flares, it looks like, in there. Here's the other wooded piece that's in good shape. And just from living in Tallahassee, you've got that black, kind of black stained areas on the outside. And so let's see down there, down the pole, and I'll try to get you up to see the top here. And all along the edge there, just trying to give you a little bit of a tour around the edges to see everything's intact. There are some photos, of course, you can zoom in and look at as well. But pretty good shape. Got an anchor up there. And the trailer, I'll show you in a moment. I'll walk you around that. But the trailer, he said, has not been in the water yet. And it's in great shape. You'll see it. And this is a 21 and a half foot boat. And there we go. Here's where that pole here, this stands in that. All around. Here's the pole all the way through. And see all of that from up here. And in this box, if you're wondering why that's sitting out here, I pulled it out of there. He has lots of information about sailboats, including this came from the dealer, and just instructions, lots and lots of instructions of every step by step of sailing this boat. And there's the Catalina 470 here that just a lot of information about sailboats and such, and manuals are through this folder and all these folders and books, and I won't be able to show you through all those, but just a lot of information, and we're keeping that with the boat. I would think that would be helpful. And let me jump out and show you the rest. Look out for this. So there's the trailer. You'll notice the boat on the outside is in great shape and such, but I'll show you the bottom that looks like it just needs a paint job. That undercoat. And try to see if my camera will adjust as we go from one end to the other. And you can see the very light blue that used to be a really dark blue paint. But the trailer itself in great shape. And there's the under hull there, the bottom rudder. Got some rust on it, and I'm not sure what kind of shape that is for a sailboat, but it looks a little rough to me. And try to get you all that. And there's our trailer down here. And the rope here feels strong, but depending on what you're using it for, I don't know I would trust it to its full weight capacity, but it is some good looking rope as well. And there it is, the license. Registration, that is, sorry. Here's your boat. Right there. I think that's a look at the back of it, but that's probably about all we're going to be able to show you this. There's the little power docking power outlet there. Just the windows through there. If you can see that. Sun's going in and out today, and it's the Afternoon Delight is the name of the boat. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you.